We're gonna start. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. So this is grammar 3C. Pointer 3. Oh, sorry, page 3. Pointer C and grammar part. We have done, yeah, we did last time. Zanna, similar to walla, shadda letter, repeated letters. And fa'ala, fa'alu, already we have done.
He did it.
Alhamdulillah. So this was zanna.
Jannah.
In fact, it was zanna, zanana, but became zanna because two letters just similar, just like they are same. So the verb table will be like fa'ala with some change sometime, and otherwise it is dhalla, dhanna. Two letters are merged. Two letters are entered into each another. Dhalla, he went astray. He went astray. Let's take dhalla. The meaning is he went astray. Repeated letters is lam lam.
Naam.
So yes, let's do dhalla with action. Dhallu.
Dhallu.
Yeah, you know the meaning. Dhalla, he went astray, and dhallu, they went astray.
They went astray.
Dhalalta. You remember dhalalta?
Dhalalta.
Yes, dhalalta and zananta, similar to zananta. Fa'alta, nasarta. Okay, now everyone is same. I mean, two letters are separated for ease. So instead of dhallata, or dhalta, it will be dhalalta,
Dhalanta.
Yeah, so dhalla, dhallu,
Dhallu.
dhalalta,
Dhalalta.
dhalaltu,
Dhalaltu.
dhalaltum,
Dhalaltum.
dhalalna.
Dhalalna.
Spoken Arabic, hal dhalla,
Ma dhalla.
ma dhalla. Yeah, hal dhalla, did he go astray? No, he did not go astray. He did not go astray. Al dhallu,
Ma dhallu.
ma dhallu. Very good. Hal dhalalta,
Ma dhalaltu.
ma dhalaltu, ma dhalaltu.
Ma dhalaltu.
Al dhalaltum,
Ma dhalalna.
ma dhalalna.
Ma dhalalna.
وَمَنْ يُشْرِكْ بِاللَّهِ فَقَدْ ضَلَّ ضَلَالًا بَعِيدًا.
وَمَنْ يَشْرِكْ بِاللَّهِ فَقَدْ ضَلَّ بَعِيدًا.
This is the ayah of Mus'haf. I mean, shirk is not a good thing, and the one who is mushrik, like he went astray in a deep, in a deep darkness. He went. ضَلَالًا بَعِيدًا. ضَلُّوا. Now you have to translate. This is FAQ's time. So question answer. Yes. So ضَلُّوا. The meaning is go astray. They went. They go. We went.
Dhallu.
ضَلُّوا.
It's like them. They went straight.
Okay, so B is logged. Alhamdulillah. Perfect. Okay. Kharartum. Like just equal to dhalalta and zananta. Kharara means he fell. So kharartum. You all fall. They fell. You all fell. What is the meaning of kharartum?
Kharartum. He, you, they. No, it's you all fail.
My brother is now just amazing,
Taraktum.
man. No mistake. You are not mistaken now anymore, mashallah.
No one know this.
Yeah. Okay. Hal dalaltum. Hal dalaltum. Did you all go astray?
Ma dalaltum.
Ma, this is hal dalaltum. So answer should be?
The answer should be ma dalaltum. Ma dalaltum. Ma dalal. Yeah,
I mean,
ma dalal.
this is your answer, ma dalaltum?
Yes.
Okay. Just one more chance. Because my question is hal dalaltum. So answer should be about you all.
Ma dalalna.
You change the party. So ma dalalna. Yes, perfect. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so one of the four styles below, because it is a three-letter verb, dalla yadillu. In fact, it is dalala yadlilu daraba yadribu. So the pattern is daraba yadribu. So let's do yadillu yadilluna. He goes, he will go. He goes, he will go. They go, they will go. Yadillu, yadilluna. Right side, right side, right side. Yeah. Because this is the third person. Yadillu, yadilluna.
Yadilluna.
Tadillu, tadillu, adillu.
Adillu.
Tadilluna, nadillu.
Adillu.
MashaAllah. So just one more time. Madi, dalla, dallu.
Dalla, dallu.
Dalalta, dalaltu.
Dalalta, dalaltu.
Dalaltum, dalalna.
Dalaltum, dalalna.
MashaAllah. Now mudari. Yadillu, yadilluna. Upper level.
Yadillu, yadillu, yadilluna.
Tadillu, adillu.
Tadillu, adillu.
Tadilluna, nadillu.
Tadilluna, najillu.
Okay, so hal yadillu?
La yadillu.
La yadillu. Hal yadilluna?
La yadilluna.
La yadilluna. Hal tadillu?
La tadillu.
La tadillu. Hal tadilluna?
La nadillu.
Yes. When the question is about you all, so the answer will be we all.
We all.
That you all do it? No, we all don't do it. Spoken Arabic. Sabil means path. Sabil means path. So does he go astray from the path of Allah? Does he go astray? Hal yadillu an from sabilillah, the path of Allah. So hal yadillu an sabilillah?
La yadillu an sabilillah.
MashaAllah. Hal yadilluna an sabilillah? Do they all go astray from the path of Allah?
La yadilluna an sabilillah.
Perfect. Hal tadillu an sabilillah?
La adillu an sabilillah.
The action is not correct. La adillu an sabilillah.
Me.
Yeah, alhamdulillah. La adillu. La adillu an sabilillah.
La adillu an
Hal
sabilillah.
tadilluna? Did you all go astray from the path of Allah?
La nadillu an sabilillah.
Yeah, we all did not go astray from the path of Allah. Subhanallah. Alhamdulillahi ala dhalik. Okay, translate. Yadilluna, yadilluna, yadilluna. What is the meaning? And you can select more than one.
Yadilluna. They went straight. He goes straight. They go straight. Okay.
So select more than one.
More than one. Okay. Yeah, the Luna. He goes straight. They go straight.
They go astray, and next is
They will go straight.
perfect, because this is mudari. Yeah, yadilluna is mudari, so it will have two meaning. It has two meaning, like mudari always has two meaning. If there is not added sa or saufa at the beginning. Okay, translate into Arabic. Translate into Arabic. You all go astray. You all go astray. Which word is in Arabic?
You all go straight.
Astray.
Tadilluna, tadillu, tadillu. You all go straight. Tadilluna, tadilluna.
Perfect. MashaAllah. تضلون.
تدلون.
هل يضل عن سبيل الله؟ هل يضل عن سبيل الله؟ So A, B, C, D.
هل يدل عن سبيل الله؟ لا يدل عن سبيل الله. Yeah.
Okay.
لا يدل عن سبيل الله.
لا يضل. You mean لا يضل?
Yes. لا يدل.
Good answer. MashaAllah. Nice one.
لا
Alhamdulillah.
يدل.
Okay, now let's learn how to make amr. And this is so simple, like, you know, tadillu, this is a shortcut. Actually, it is from tadillu, so ta is removed, like ya is removed from the beginning, and it became dhillu. So no double sukun in Arabic, therefore fatha added. Just fatha added at the end. Dhillu became dhilla.
دل.
Yes, so dhillu, go astray, you all.
دل.
La tadilla, la tadillu.
لا تجل. لا تجل.
MashaAllah. Dal,
ضال.
the one who goes astray. Dalala,
The one who goes astray. Dalala.
to go astray.
To go astray.
Okay, dal and dalala. The examples of dal and dalala in the Surah Fatiha, the verse number last 7th. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. So dal, dalun, dalin. Dalin is the plural of dal. And dalala is Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 16. أولئك الذين اشتروا الضلالة بالهدى. So there, ضلالة. Okay. هل هم ضالون عن الطريق؟ هل هم ضالون عن الطريق؟
هل هم ضالون عن الطريق؟
So select A, B, C, D. You have to choose one
هل هم
out of 4.
ضالون عن الطريق؟ نعم هم ضالون عن الطريق.
ما شاء الله. نعم هم ضالون عن الطريق. Perfect. Okay. ليس بي ضلالة. ليس بي ضلالة. Translate. There is no error in us. There is no error in you. There is no error in me. There is no error in them. ليس بي ضلالة. ليس بي ضلالة.
ليس بي ضلالة. There is no error in us. There is no error on you. ليس بي. There is no error in me. There is no error in them.
In them, it would be bihim. it would be bihim. It is B. You remember
Yes, no.
bihi, bihim, bika, bi, bikum, bina.
Okay. There is no error on me.
In me, that's it. Because this is B in me.
B.
Yeah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Yes, that's
Error
it.
me.
Okay, let's do it one time. Dhalla, dhallu,
Dalla, dallu.
dhalalta, dhalaltu,
Dalaltu, dalaltu.
dhalaltum, dhalalna,
Daltum, dalalna.
dhallat,
Dalat.
yadhillu, yadhilluna,
Yadillu, yadilluna.
tadhillu, adhillu,
Tajillu, adillu.
tadhilluna, nadhillu,
Dilluna, nadillu.
tadhillu,
Tajillu. Because
dhilla, dhillu,
dilla, dillu.
la tadhilla, la tadhillu,
La tadillu. La tadilla, la tadillu.
dhal, dhalala.
Dal, la dalala.
So, dhalla, yadhillu, the short one. Dhalla, yadhillu,
Dalla, yadillu.
dhilla, dhal,
Dilla, dal,
dhalala.
dalala.
3 noun keys of kharra. Noun, everyone should be noun. Kharra, khar, and kharra yakhiru khir, khirra, kharra yakhiru khar, khar yakhir. Yes, A, B, C, D. 3 nouns key.
خير خير يخير خير خير يخير خير
That's
خير يخير خير
A is correct. Because khar and there is nothing, then khar. No one is verb. And in B, all these are verbs. Madi, mudare, amr. In the, yes, so just A is correct. Okay, 3 verbs key of dhalla. Everyone should be verb. Dhalla. So dal yadil dilla, dhalla yadillu dilla, dhalla yadillu dal, dhalla, dhalala. Which one is correct? And which one is going to choose you?
Dalla yadillu da dilla. Dalla yadillu dilla.
Perfect, mashallah. Nice answer. Good one, good one, good one. Okay, so this is the homework. As you know, alhamdulillah, every time we have homework at the end of the lesson. So let's make dua. May Allah Almighty help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Ameen ya Rabb. سبحانك اللهم بحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.